Picture this, a single mega factory that designs, prints, packages and tests the brains of every robot, car and satellite in an entire ecosystem. Tesla calls it Terafab, a $25 billion moonshot planted next to Giga, Texas. Elon launched it at the old Seahom power plant in Austin, calling it the most epic chip-building exercise in history by far. It's a joint venture between Tesla, SpaceX and xAI, aiming to pull off what chip giants do with armies of fabs across the globe. Vision: own the entire stack. Chip design, EUV lithography, fab, memory, advanced packaging, testing. Why? Because the AI supply chain is choking. External capacity from TSMC, Samsung, Micron hits a ceiling in 3 to 4 years. Tesla and SpaceX project compute demand at 1 terawatt, 50 times today's supply. That gap won't close by waiting. Proof: Terafab targets 100,000 wafer starts per month at launch, scaling to 1 million per month. At full tilt, that's roughly 70% of TSMC's current global output from one site. Goal: 100 to 200 billion custom AI and memory chips per year. Enough for full self-driving, Sasa, the Cybercab robo-taxi, Optimus humanoids, and an entirely new frontier, orbital AI. 80% of Terafab's compute aimed at space-based satellites. Space, 5 times the solar energy. Vacuum as a heat sink. Orbital AI compute could be cheaper than ground data centers in 2 to 3 years. Tech target: 2 nanometer. $16.5 billion deal with Samsung to mass-produce AI6 on 2 nanometer in Texas, second half of 2027. Timing crunch: AI5 for cars won't be in volume until mid-2027, a delay from 2025. Cybercab production is slated for 2026, likely AI4 at launch, and AI4 isn't built for fully unsupervised autonomy. So yes, the roadmap is aggressive, the risks are obvious, and the bill isn't fully baked into Tesla's 2026 capex. We're talking another 20 to 25 billion on top. But if Terafab hits stride, the payoff is brutal efficiency. In-house chips tuned for autonomy, robotics, and data centers, with vertical integration from silicon to satellite. Imagine EUV tools spitting wafers, robotic arms stacking 3D memory, liquid-cooled racks humming, fleets of autonomous cars training on fresh silicon, and Optimus units learning faster every week, powered by chips designed 1 corridor over. Vision, proof, payoff. Tesla isn't just chasing the next chip, it's trying to become the next Nvidia, maybe something bigger if orbital compute flips the economics of AI. So here's the question: if Terafab works, does Tesla disrupt the entire semiconductor era? No!